Hello, we are going to see the quality control in building process at roofs unit. First of all, we will make a study and review, analysis of our project in order to look for and review all the details that will configure our roof. The materials reception makes reference a technical perception of the materials we are going to use for each unit. In this picture, we can see in this corner the fiberglass for acoustic isolation, the polystyrene expanded for thermal isolation, just the detail of a ceramic brick, and the detail for both tiles, different kind of tiles, ceramic tiles, that we will use in order to make our unit, the roofs. Previous operations make a reference about the support. The floors for our building, the last floors of last level in our building are the support of our roof. We have to make a previous operation in order to be sure this floor is resistant enough, is ready to support our roof. Reframing is the first activity to begin our roof, so we have to make a little lines by pieces of ceramic bricks in order to configure the lines of each pitch of our roof. Pitch formation begins with a wall, a little wall made by ceramic bricks pieces with the holes that let the air just has a camera, a ventilation inside this camera that configures the roof. Pitch formation includes, for sure, the inclinated little walls that support all the tiles of the roof. Singular elements has to be in singular treatment in order to be sure the evacuation will be well done. So singular elements, in this case we have a concavity, a channel just made by bricks, ceramic bricks, that take out the water outside our covering, our roof. Singular elements in some cases are speaking about the border and the floor, dividing of the floor, the measuring it has in the border, that will have to be in different treatment and in different use for the tiles. You can see the detail of a little piece of the wall made by ceramic bricks for the pitches in the roof. Isolations includes the materials we are going to put on to add in our cover to consider the house inside of the building just acoustically and just thermically well done in order to be outside in connection with the exterior area. The cover support are made with ceramic pieces that connect each one of the little walls we made for the pitch. Cover support are made by mortar, just placing these little ceramic pieces between each parallel piece of wall that configure each part of the pitch in the roof. Cover support includes standard pieces who has the same dimension we have left between each part of the little walls with inclined walls. After to put on the cover support, we have to make a surface by mortar. This surface is completely well done with a special mortar made with waterproof cement. This mortar regulates the surface and guarantees a good support for the next tile. Tile to tile begins by the humidity of each piece of ceramic tiles. It's very important to add the water the tiles need in order to don't take out from the mortar that will fix each piece of tile. To tile includes for sure to put on a special mortar that will fix each part of them. We can see the detail, how is it putting on and fixing between each one of them. We have to overlap each one of the tile, each one of the pieces, in order to guarantee all the evacuation is well done. To tile, in cases we have a joint or we have a concavity, we have to take care about this with special pieces, with a special tile that will cover these lines. In the case we have different inclination, different parts of the pitch, we have to treat the tile with a detail or with special pieces. In this picture, we can see the detail of a concavity place, or concavity, no, sorry, just a convexity place, where is the connection of both parts of the pitch. Singular elements has to be treated with the singularity it has about the joint it is going to configure. In this picture, we can see the hull of a chimney. we have to treat this joint in order to be sure that the water is not going to be inside by this joint. Singular elements include sometimes the connection of two parts of the pitch or the connection of the roof with the facade, the ceramic bricks of facade. In both cases, singular elements has to be closing just the end of the tile and just covering with mortar in order to be sure your cover is completely well done, your roof is completely waterproof. So, like a last verification, we will control all the details and the pieces where we have little hole to let the air go inside the camera. So, the building and the roof we will ready when we'll test it, and we will be sure with the last verification everything is well done and is finished. Thank you very much.